So this is a closing report for Catalyst Fund 12 use cases product, and we're delivering a new DexHunter interface v2 for pro traders.
Hello dear Catalyst team, this is the final closeout report to show the outputs and the progress, and I'll start with the milestone 1, which was creating wireframes. As you can see here, we did it successfully and outlined the major changes for the interface, both with wireframes, the architecture, and also a bit of a design preview. Then we had the second milestone where we actually developed a design system with all the elements, colors, text styles, how components combine those elements, and previews of pages as well. Then the third output was public testing, so our original beta and feedback collection, which we successfully has done. The fourth milestone was the actual public testing with both links, which we provided, addressing feedbacks, and I really appreciate the pointing out one bug from the Catalyst team as well with the lace wallet. We also successfully fixed that. And as you can see, a bit of a preview, this is how the interface looked before. If you pay attention to the header, sidebar, and the main swap interface, this is how it changed. It became way more cleaner interface, and elements became way more smooth and consistent. And one of the bigger changes is of course portfolio tab, because we moved the orders from originally being at a separate page, which is just took a lot of space. It was just simply an order page. We moved it to this little tab, which has your holdings, open orders, DCAs, and all your past history. So that was one of the bigger ones that we accomplished, and so you can see that we changed the filters, we changed how the pages look like, made it way more consistent and way better. So yeah, that's really about it for the design milestone, and appreciate all the support from Catalyst team as well. Thank you.
There are a lot of challenges when developing an interface to be used by a range of people. For example, you have to accommodate the pro traders who are looking for advanced features and a lot of data, with complete newbies with who install the wallet for the first time. So you have to really think about both sides of the trading aisle. So developing interface is very, very challenging, and we kind of thought about it in the version 1, but since then we've added a lot of new features, a lot of new buttons, and in the version 2 we really tried to kind of smoothen that rough edges from adding too much stuff at once, and make it familiar, but at the same time not overwhelming. For example, interface elements like order book, loans, and stuff, you can't see them, but it looks quite neat and nice, and while posing a lot of complexity and a lot of obfuscation. For example, showing average price and profit and loss. So those are we use hover and clicks for that. So if you know how to use them, it'll be useful. But for new users, they won't even know they exist. So that's one of the main challenges, obviously for interfaces, to be complicated yet simple. And regarding the further funding, the DexHunter have been a commercial app since for 1.5 years now, and the Catalysts have helped us subsidize some of the version 2 design interface costs, but we will not require any further funding for nor the app nor design. But this is really a nice help for kickstarting the design and subsidizing the development and research and testing and time it takes to do so.